Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are safe at home. Yes, this is the part 4 of chapter 5. What is our chapter 5? Long division, part 4 class. In this class, today, we are going to we are going to do some word problems on division. Okay, children, first look at the board. So here, this problem, 10 pens cost is 70 rupees. Then find cost of each pen. So before going to solve a word problem on division, I want to give you a hint to you. That is, if more objects is given and asking for one means take division. Okay, giving more and asking for one means take division. For example, in this problem, 10 pence cost is given. 10 pence cost is 70 rupees. Then find cost of each pen. So what is cost of 10 pence? 10 means more. 10 pence cost is rupees symbol. This is 70 rupees. They are asking you find to cost of each pen. Each means 1. Each means 1. 1 pen cost they are asking you. So what we have to do? Yes, take division, that is 70 divided by 10 is equal to 7 rupees is the answer. So the cost of each pen is 7 rupees. So giving more and asking for one, find each one. This is the hint for you. We have to take the division in the given word problems. Giving more and asking for one means take division. Okay, children? Now we are going to take our textbook problems, children. Yes. From page number 151, exercise number 5.4. Page number 151. Word problems we are going to do now. The fourth one from fourth A bit we are going to do. So what is the given question here? So this page, from this page we are going to do now. Yeah. If 6 dozen bananas cost 90 rupees, then find the cost of 1 dozen bananas. Shall we write? Yes. Everyone write down. If 6 bananas cost is 90 rupees. This is rupees symbol, children. If 6 bananas costs 90 rupees, then find the cost of 1 dozen banana. Cost of 1 dozen bananas. Okay, children. Yeah. So what is the given word problem here? First, read the word problem carefully. If 6 bananas costs 90 rupees, then find the cost of 1 dozen bananas. So here, what is the given data here? First, read the problem and understand it and underline the keywords. So here, 6 bananas cost is given, that is 90 rupees. So we have to find out the cost of 1 dozen bananas. 6 means more, giving more, and asking for 1 means take division. Yes or no? 6 bananas, 6 dozen bananas. 6 dozen. If 6 dozen bananas cost is 90 rupees, then find the cost of 1 dozen bananas. So 6 dozen bananas cost is 90 rupees. We have to find the cost of 1 dozen. Okay, children? Solution. So we have to take the division. What is the first statement? The first statement always you will get from the first sentence only. So what is the given sentence here? if 6 dozen bananas cost is 90 rupees. So first statement is cost of 6 dozen bananas. Tell me children, how many rupees? Yes, 90 rupees. Cost of 6 dozen bananas is 90 rupees. Then what we have to find? Very good. We have to find the cost of 1 dozen bananas. So the next statement is cost of 1 dozen banana. 1 dozen bananas is equal to, giving more and asking one means we have to take division. So now take division to get the answer, that is 90 rupees divided by 6. Shall we take long division now? Yes, take here. Yes, long division. So here 6 how many times? 6 ones are 6. 9 minus 6 how much children? Very good. 3. And bring down 0, it becomes 30 now. 6 table, when do you get 30? Yes, 6 5s are 30. So up write down 5, down write down 30. Now 30 minus 30 how much children? 0. So what is the answer? How many rupees? Quotient is the answer always now. So 15 rupees here. So how many rupees? 15 rupees. Cost of 1 dozen bananas is 15 rupees. So what is the answer? 15 rupees. Quotient is 15. Quotient means this is the answer. So cost of 1 dozen bananas is 15 rupees. So final statement we have to write. Yes, write down. Therefore, cost of 1 dozen banana. 1 dozen bananas is, how many rupees ma? Very good, 15 rupees. Just we have to take the long division. Note it down children. So by taking long division we have to find the answer. Cost of 1 dozen bananas is 15 rupees. Children, I want to ask you one question. 1 dozen means how many? Very good. 1 dozen is equal to 12. 1 dozen means 12. Just remember it. 1 dozen is equal to 12. So cost of 6 dozen bananas is 90 rupees. Cost of 1 dozen banana means take division, 90 rupees divided by 6. It is 15 rupees. Therefore, cost of 1 dozen bananas is 15 rupees. Yes, children, note it down. We will take another problem. Next word problem. From revision exercise I am taking now. Shall I rub the board children? Yes. From revision exercise. Revision exercise, page number 152. So what is the problem here? I am going to take now EBIT. If this one, EBIT. If the weight of 6 identical bottles is 78 kgs, then find the weight of each bottle. Shall we write the problem children? Yes. EBIT. If the weight of if the weight of identical six identical bottles is the weight of six identical bottles is 78 kgs. Then find the weight of each bottle. Then find the weight of each bottle. Yeah, solution. Children, first read the given word problem carefully. Everyone repeat after me. Yes, if the weight of six identical bottles is 78 kgs, then find the weight of each bottle. Yes. So what do you understand from this word problem, children? So here six bottles are there whose weight is six bottles weight is given. How many bottles are there? There are six bottles. Six bottles weight is given, that is 78 kgs. So kgs are the units here. Weight is always measured in kgs, grams. Yes, children. Six bottles weight is given, that is 78 kgs. We have to find out the cost of, weight of each. Each means how many, children? Very good. Each means one. We have to find out the weight of one bottle. So here what is the keyword? Giving more and asking for one. So what we have to take? Yes, take division to get the answer. Giving more and asking for means, asking one means we have to take the division. So here take division, that is 78 divided by 6 will give the answer. Shall we write the statements, children? Yes. First statement you will get from first sentence only. So what is that, children? Please put your own statements, children. Read and put your own statements. The weight of six identical bottles is 78 kgs. So this sentence becomes your first statement. So write down, children, what is the first statement? Yes, very good. Weight of six bottles. Weight of six bottles is given. Yes, write down, children. Weight of six bottles. How much, children? Weight of six bottles is how much? Yeah, how many kgs? 78 kgs. Children, mention the units. Okay, without these units, this number is invalid. So 78 kgs. Weight is always measured in kgs or grams. So weight of six bottles is 78 kgs. We have to find out weight of each bottle. Now the next statement is weight of each bottle. Weight of each bottle. Yeah, children, how do you get what we have to do? Yes, take long division, that is 78 divided by 6 will give the answer. Now here I am doing. So 78 inside the symbol, 6 is outside the symbol. Long division I am taking. So here 6 1s are 6. 7 minus 6 is how much, children? 1. 1 is a smaller number. 6 will not divide 1. So what we have to do? Bring down 8. Now it becomes 18. 6 table, when do you get 8, children? Very good. It is 6 3s are 18. So up, write down. 3 down, write down 18. Now tell me, children, 18 minus 18, how much? Yes, 0. So what is the quotient here? 13. Remainder is 0. So we know that the quotient is the answer. So 13. So what is the answer here? 13 kgs. 78 divided by 6 is 13. 13 kgs. So the weight of each bottle is 13 kgs. So write down the final statement, children. What is final statement? This is therefore symbol. Symbol of therefore. 3 dots. Therefore, weight of each bottle is 13 kgs. Write down, children. Weight of each bottle is 13 kgs. Mention the units and highlight the answer in a box. 13 kgs. I hope you understood, children. Please note it down. I want to take another word problem. Yes. Note it down. Yes, children. Finish? Yes. The next one. From same page, I am taking the word problem. Next one, debit. If 4 books cost 92 rupees. Children, this is rupees symbol. 92 rupees. Rupees symbol always before the number. Then find the cost of each book. Cost of each book. Yes. Read the problem, children. What is the given problem? If 4 books cost is 92 rupees. 4 books costs. Yes. The 4 books cost is 92 rupees. Then find the cost of each book. So here 4 books cost is given. How many rupees? 92 rupees. And asking you to find cost of one book. Each means 1. Giving more and asking for 1 means what we have to do? Division. Take division to get the answer. That is 92 divided by 4 will give the answer. Giving more. 4 means more. 1 means 1. Giving more and asking for 1 means this is the keyword for division. So now coming to the word problem, children. First statement we have to write. What is our first statement? Cost of 4 books. Very good. Solution. The first statement from first sentence. If 4 books cost is 92 rupees, means write down cost of 4 books. How many rupees? 92 rupees. Then find the cost of each book becomes the second statement, means cost of each book. What is our second statement? From second line only we will get, that is from second sentence, cost of each book. Is equal to, how do you get, children? Very good. Take division, that is 92 rupees divided by 4. We'll give the answer 92 divided by 4. Now take the long division. Yes. So first take 9. 4 divides 9 because 9 is bigger, 4 is small. How many times exactly do you get, children? No. 4 2s are 8. Take nearest and smallest number to the 9, that is 8. So 4 2s are 8. Up, write down 2, down, write down 8. 9 minus 8 is how much? Very good, 1. Now 1 is a smaller number, 4 will not divide. So what we have to do? Bring down the next digit, that is bring down 2. It is 12 now. 4 table, do you get 12, children? Yes. Tell me how many times? Very good. 4 3s are 12. So up, write down 3, down, write down 12. Now take subtraction. 12 minus 12, how much? 0. So 0 is the remainder. How much is the quotient? Yes, 23. So quotient becomes answer. So this is 23 rupees. What is the cost of each book, children? 23 rupees. So write down the final statement. What is your final statement? Cost of each book is 23 rupees. Yeah, write down, children. Therefore, cost of each book is 23 rupees. Highlight the answer. 23 rupees. Cost of 4 books is 92 rupees. Cost of 1 book means take a division. Giving more and asking for 1 means take a division. So by taking after division, our answer is 23 rupees. So cost of each book is 23 rupees. Note it down, children. I hope you understood. So here this chapter ends. I will send you the notes for this chapter and worksheet also. Children, please complete your worksheets and send to me. Take care, children. Thank you.